Okay guys, there's something wrong with my Goodman. It's been running constantly and hasn't shut off. Like last night, it kicked on at 10 o'clock and it was set to 69 and it didn't shut off till 3 o'clock the next afternoon. And now there's another problem. It's been running all night long and it hasn't gone into defrost at all. And notice all that white stuff. That's frost. Well, ice. Look. It's not supposed to look like this. It's supposed to defrost, but now it hasn't. All that white stuff. So I'm going to be calling the tech pretty soon. It's been running constantly. Holy hell. Whole panel is just ice. Solid ice. This thing's 2 years old and this is its first heating season of 2010 and it's never done this before. It's been running non-stop ever since last night. And the heat's set to 69 during the night and 70 during the day. So I'm going to let it just run because it's under a 10-year warranty. And I'm going to be calling the tech pretty soon. Because it hadn't gone into defrost but once. That was last night about midnight. That's wrong because I know it's a lot colder than this out here. 39 out here and the thing hadn't gone into defrost.